This is the Vivo V23. It launches at a price around €100 less than its Pro sibling, yet it has the same powerful selfie camera setup and the same beautiful paint job. What else does this phone have to offer? I'm Angie for GSM Arena, and these are the key features of the Vivo V23. Both phones in Vivo's V23 lineup have gorgeous paint jobs. You can get the V23 in Sunshine Gold, which turns from golden to blue-greenish when exposed to UV light. And there's also a more subtle Stardust Black version. Unlike the V23 Pro, which has a curve on the display, the vanilla V23 has a flat display and a flat aluminum edge. It's comfortable in the hand, and while it's not quite as light as the Pro version of the phone, it's still a very light 179 grams. On the front, you'll find a notch that isn't quite as wide as an iPhone's, but it's still bigger than what we've seen recently in the Android world. The Vivo V23 has a 6.4-inch AMOLED panel with a 90Hz refresh rate, a Full HD resolution, and HDR10+ support. It's protected by Shot Sensation Up Glass, which is the same as what you'd find on the Vivo X60 Pro and the X70 Pro. The phone has a 4,200 mAh battery, which is a little smaller than the 4,300 mAh one on the Pro. The 44-watt fast charger is the same though, and it should net you from 0 to 68% in 30 minutes. The V23 has the MediaTek Dimensity 920 5G chipset. It's not as powerful as the MediaTek 1200 5G chip in the Pro, but it should be enough for some light gaming and day-to-day tasks. The phone comes with either 8 or 12 gigs of RAM and 128 or 256 gigabytes of storage. There is no expandable card slot though. The Vivo V23 comes with FunTouch 12 on top of Android 12. FunTouch OS is very customizable and flexible, and you'll find plenty of theme options to tweak it to your liking. The V23 lineup is all about an excellent selfie experience, and you'll find two front-facing cameras on this phone, one 50-megapixel main camera and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera. With them, you can shoot HDR 4K videos at 30 FPS and choose between a multitude of portrait styles for a better vlogging experience. There are also two LEDs on the front that can illuminate your face with either whiter or warmer tones. On the back, you'll find a triple camera setup that includes a 64-megapixel main camera, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 2-megapixel macro cam. The vanilla V23 isn't quite as powerful as its Pro sibling, yet it's sticking true to Vivo's vision of a gorgeous phone with a great display and powerful selfie cameras. So will this phone actually end up being the better deal of the two? We're gonna find that out in our full review once we put this phone through its paces. Subscribe so you don't miss it, and I'll see you guys next time.